In this lecture, we will discuss artificial intelligence AI benefits in education. Should AI be introduced as part of school curricula? Why in use? Recently, the Ministry of Education announced that an artificial intelligence AI curriculum would be introduced from class 3 onwards for the next academic year 2026-27. Earlier in July, the government has launched the Skilling for AI Readiness Initiative, under which thousands of CBSE schools will offer AI as a skill subject starting from class 6. ChatGPT, NVIDIA, and other global business giants are investing heavily in AI in India. India AI mission aiming to build an ecosystem for trusted and inclusive AI. Teachers and students use artificial intelligence tools, AI tools, but ethical dilemmas and digital divide challenge meaningful classroom interaction. In this session, we will cover how is AI transforming teaching and learning practices in Indian classroom. Should AI be introduced as part of school curricula? Benefit of AI in education for students. Number one, personalized learning. AI can analyze a student's performance, strength, weakness, and learning style to create customized learning path. Number two, intelligent tutoring. AI-powered system can provide personalized support, feedback, and interactive experience to help students. Number three, enhanced accessibility. AI tools like speech recognition and text-to-speech can assist students with disabilities, making education more inclusive. Number four, engaging content. AI can be used to generate smart, engaging learning materials such as summarize, quizzes, and digital textbooks. Number five, timely feedback. AI can offer immediate feedback on assignments, helping students identify areas for improvement for quickly than traditional methods. For educators and administration. Number one, automated administrative tasks. AI can automate time-consuming tasks like attendance tracking, grading, and scheduling, free up teachers to focus on more impactful activities like lesson planning and student engagement. Number two, actionable insights. AI-driven analytics can help teachers and administrators to identify patterns and trends in student performance, informing instructional strategies and policy decisions. Number three, enhanced professional development. AI can support the professional growth of teachers by recommending personalized resources and courses. Challenges and concerns related to AI. Number one, ethical concern and biases. AI algorithms can sometimes inherit biases present in the data they are trained on, which can affect the learning experience and outcomes for certain student groups. Number two, data privacy. The use of AI in education involves collecting large amount of student data, raising concern about data security and privacy. Number three, decline in critical thinking. Over reliance on artificial intelligence can potentially reduce students' analytical and critical thinking skill. Number four, digital divide. Access to the necessary technology and infrastructure for AI powered tool may be limited, lead to inequalities between students. Number five, teacher training. Effective integration of AI in education require comprehensive training for educators to ensure they can use the tools effectively and ethically. Government initiatives. Number one, National Education Policy (NEP) 2020. National Education Policy 2020 promotes integrating AI in the curriculum at various educational levels. Number two, government initiatives. Initiatives like the India AI Mission demonstrate the government's commitment to advancing AI adoption, including in education. Conclusion. Responsible regulation. The need for ethical guidelines and balanced regulation is crucial to maximize the benefit of artificial intelligence while mitigating its risk. Preparing for future. AI is changing future job skill requirement, making it crucial for education to adapt and foster adaptability and problem solving skill in students.